I would apply sunscreen all over, especially as I went outside. It comes with 2 plugs to just plug it up. You power it on, so now it'll turn like white or blue, and then you'll double tap and it'll turn green. There are 2 methods that they tell you to use to actually apply it onto the hair. One is stamping, which would be this. When you stamp it, see, now you see how it's not working because I don't have hair there. Yep, you'll do that. So that's stamping it. Stamping it is letting that kind of warm like that. And then you have gliding or sliding, which is like that. It'll turn green when it's activated and ready for you to shoot. Now the laser is like covered inside of this little window here. That's why they said that you don't have to wear glasses. Now how it feels, because I know that's a question that a lot of people ask in terms of does it hurt? So here's the best way to put whether it hurts. There are 3 little settings here. But when you first turn that on, there's like 2 little arrows. This is the beginning arrow. You hit it again and it's going to show 2 more. So that's the second setting, and then you hit it again and that's the 3rd setting. As you get comfortable with using the machine, like you start doing it, like I would say after your first week or 2, then you want to bump up the intensity level so that way the shock waves can actually penetrate. My first week I started with just the 1, and then I think immediately my second week I went to number 2. So I was able to try all 3 settings. Again, the more stubble I had, like if there was an area that I didn't shave properly, felt it more. It felt like it hurted, especially where it's thicker. My pelvic area or bikini area is more thicker. Felt it definitely more there, but I'm also darker there. Henceforth, why they say making sure you're within your range of that melanin means a lot. And most of us have hyperpigmentation, especially in the parts that are not really covered, like our armpits in there. The method I chose to use when using the machine first was stamping. So I would literally let it sit for the full beep, and then I would move on to the next session. So I would go like beep, beep. And then some of the challenges that come with doing laser hair reduction or removal, that sometimes the lasers can counteract each other. If you are melanin, like myself, also have dark hair, the laser could be targeting one or the other. What you don't want is for it to obviously target your skin. And in my case, it didn't target my skin. Otherwise, I would have had hyperpigmentation or hypo. Like I would have seen some discoloration. Patients started to grow thin with having to actually wait a full 8 weeks. Even though this is travel friendly, it comes with like a travel bag and stuff, I'm not really trying to take this with me, trying to avoid the sun and all that stuff for a full like 2 months. And that's just where I'm at with it right now, putting it on hold, or I might even return it. I don't know. If you guys have tried this machine or felt like it was worth the investment, tell me, what did you think? I think I've seen people that used it way longer, maybe like 3 months. I'm gonna take a little smooth chill pill with it for right now, and maybe I'll go back to revisiting it and trying it for longer.